Looking for an all-in-one platform to build and grow your online business? Kajabi makes it easy to create websites, sell digital products, and manage everything in one place. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of how it works and why it might be the perfect fit for you. Before we dive into the video, if you want to try Kajabi for free, I have a special link that gives you a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. As a bonus, you'll get my Kajabi course and $900 worth of premium Notion templates for free. So use the link in the description to get instant access to both. Now, let's get started. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that began with a focus on online courses. Over the last 15 years, it has grown to include features like memberships, coaching sessions, community spaces, and even podcasts. You can also add things like newsletters, downloadable resources, and other tools to keep your audience interested. Plus, it combines a lot of business tools in one place, which makes life so much easier. You can use it to host content, manage payments, and track revenue without needing multiple separate tools. You can also connect to payment provider so customers can buy directly from your site, and all transactions are stored in one easy to access spot. Also, Kajabi gives you built-in analytics to track how your products are performing. This makes it simple to adjust pricing, run sales, or plan your next big idea with confidence. Another advantage is that Kajabi has strong marketing tools. You can build a full website or just a few landing pages to guide visitors to take action, like signing up for your email list or registering for a webinar. Its funnel builder helps you plan out every step of the customer journey, from showing interest to making a purchase. This all-in-one system makes it easy to send the right messages at the right time, which helps boost engagement and sales. Kajabi's email marketing features are equally impressive. You can collect emails, organize subscribers based on their interests, and send them personalized content. Automated emails can welcome new subscribers, point them to special offers, or remind them about upcoming events. Since everything is on one platform, you don't need extra tools, which saves money and keeps your workflow simple. Beyond marketing, Kajabi makes learning more engaging. You can add quizzes and assessments to your courses to see how well students understand the material. Plus, you can give out certificates when they finish a program. This not only motivates learners, but also makes your courses feel more valuable. Time-saving automations are a big plus too. You could set up triggers to send reminders when someone completes a module, encouraging them to keep going. It also helps with marketing. For example, you can automatically follow up with subscribers who showed interest but haven't made a purchase yet. Plus, Kajabi's support and updates are a big help for busy entrepreneurs. They offer live chat, tutorials, and an online community that's super helpful. Since Kajabi handles so many parts of an online business like products, marketing, sales, and analytics, you only need to work with one support team. That's much easier than juggling multiple services and their support channels. For example, if you're using separate tools like Shopify for your store, MailChimp for email marketing, and Google Analytics for tracking performance, you'd have to deal with 3 different platforms, 3 separate support teams, and multiple logins. But with Kajabi, everything is in one place, so you can focus on growing your business. Now, over time, Kajabi has grown a lot. It began as a simple site for hosting courses, but now it's a full platform for entrepreneurs. For example, in the beginning, users needed tools for websites, email marketing, building communities, and tracking data. Kajabi listened to what people wanted and added those features to the platform. And that's how Kajabi became an all-in-one platform for online businesses. Alright, that's it for this video. If you want to try Kajabi for free, I've a special link in the description that gives you a full 30-day free trial. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get instant access to my Kajabi course and $900 worth of premium templates for free. So check the link below and I'll see you in the next video.